something a little bit different. Make sure if you guys like this wig that I'm wearing right here, make sure y'all check out this wig review, of course. Yes, sir. So let's go ahead and jump into this wig review, okay? And girl, ooh, my lip gloss is popping. Like, okay, yeah. Shook. Anyways, this is the wig, you guys. So this is Sensationel's What Lace Morgan, and as you guys can see, it is a lace front wig, and you get like at least 6 to 7 inches of parting area. Oh my gosh. So you get combs on both sides, comb in the back, adjustable straps, all that with this wig. Like, it's super cute. And I got this in the color 99J, so it's a very cherry wine red color. I'm putting it on so y'all can see that hairline is it's pre-plucked. It's not like, you know, pre-plucked, but it's, you know, enough for a beginner. And as y'all can see, that parting space goes all the way back. So this hair, it comes already like pre-curled, so you do get some kind of body wave volume. If you want to wear it down like that in the middle part or side part or whatever, you do have that extra to jazz this up. So I am using this Ebon Lace Tint Spray. I got this from Sam's Beauty, you guys. So yes, definitely check this out. I'll leave it down in the comments below. But I am living by this. I had tried it out a few times and I wasn't feeling it, but it's growing on me, and I really like the way that this color looks on me. And I think they have like 5 different colors, so check it out. It helps so much, especially with synthetic units, since you're not able to bleach them. Like, girl, this is a game changer. Okay, so this wig is, I repeat, it is big head friendly because edges is covered. And what I actually did is I actually cut a little bit off of the ear tabs, which I shouldn't have done, because it wound up making like my sideburns out a little bit. But you know, we live and we learn, you know. Don't do like me and chop your wig up, girl. So I'm just showing y'all how I glue my wigs down. I use the Got To Be. I really like the Got To Be more than the bedhead spray. I don't know what it is. It just holds better for me. So I've put a little bit down, and then, you know, place the lace right directly in it and apply some cool air to it, and it just makes the stay so much better. So I will say that you do kind of have to have the wig up off the back of your head in order to get it to lay, because it is a little bit tight. You know, especially if you're wanting to lay it down. But you know, it's nothing. You know, it will take a little bit of getting used to and working, but you know, that's what I'm here to teach y'all. Okay. So I'm just repeating that same step on my side. Now the side is always the hard part, especially right by the ear. Like, that is the part that always lifts, especially if you're having to tug and pull. If you guys see right here, I took a little piece of hair out and I did kind of tug it forward a little bit. And as y'all can see, I was having a little bit of trouble doing this. And I know everybody on YouTube don't always show their troubles, but girl, I was going through it with this one. Like, as y'all can see, like, girl, it was just not sticking for me. Like, I had to keep going back in and putting Got To Be on this part. And I hate doing that because, for one, it be rolling down, and then you have like shiny Got To Be all over my beat face, which I was mad about. And then for 2, like, that area just be so caked up with like residue, it just don't look good. So sometimes try to keep, you know, try not to keep the product on there, you know, cake it up or whatever. So I did eventually get it to lay down, and I put my elastic band on to further melt the lace into my skin. And yeah, excuse my bra or whatever. Let that sit on your hair for at least 5 minutes to get that melt. You know, go eat you some dinner or whatever, get you a snack or whatever. And as you can see, I'm just combing the hair out. It doesn't tangle at all. Like, I wasn't experiencing any tangling with this hair. And yeah, I will say that this hair is very on the expensive side because it is a what lace, but it is definitely worth it, especially because of the parting area, the lace, the colors that it comes in. It's just all around a great unit, especially if you're looking for a beginner friendly synthetic wig, because I did not pluck this unit at all, and it looks very natural. So right now it's the baby hairs time. This is always the time that gets me, girl. Like, I be struggling with the baby hairs. For one, it's just so hard. So I'm using the Nairobi foam and mousse for this, and I'm just kind of sculpting the baby hairs. I like to use foam for my baby hairs, but I do find that sometimes the foam doesn't stick with the synthetic units because the fibers are kind of like hard. So you really have to like press the the mousse in, if that makes sense. Like really like get it in there. So yeah, as y'all can see, I'm doing my baby hairs, back hurting, hands hurting, everything, but it's for the sake of the baby hairs. Like, what would a wig be without baby hairs? Like, I'm sorry for y'all, for those of y'all that don't like baby hairs, I understand, but I just love them, so I'm gonna do them. So this is the final result, y'all. Woo, had to do the other side, of course, but yeah, that's it. So I went ahead and I wanted to do a updo, a half up, half up, down, half up, half down. I couldn't get that out style on this wig or whatever. So I just parted out with my hands a little bit and just kind of gathered the hair up and everything. And then I did use a paddle brush to kind of get everything kind of, up into that ponytail. I didn't show me on camera doing it, but I did add some hairspray to the front to, tame the flyaways or whatever. But word of advice is, if you're going to do this, I definitely recommend for you to style it off your head, like on the mannequin head, because my arms was burning and it was just like too much. Like, and sometimes, and I couldn't even really see the back, but my girlfriend assured me that my tracks was not out. So yeah, this is the final result on this one, you guys. I really am feeling this unit. I'm feeling the color, I'm feeling the length, the hairline. This is an all-around 10 for me. Do you guys see that hairline and how natural it looks? I'm just really impressed. So let me know if you guys like this one. Let me know if you have tried this one or if you're gonna get it. Let's talk down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.